Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we are going to discuss how you can use the platform of Gaana to advertise your products and services. Well, in this video we are going to have a detailed discussion on everything, or I should say every aspect of this platform of Gaana. So let's get started. Now as you can see, they are mentioning that reach the people who matter to you. Well, I've stolen this line from their website itself. So the main aspect of this platform is that they want you to reach the people who actually matter to you. Okay, now let's get started. So first of all, what is advertisement on Gaana? Well, it is a platform with which brands can reach their target audience on Gaana application. Now, I should say it's not specifically just the Gaana application, the web app also. So specifically, like I'm just combining those two platforms that connects you with high quality and engaged listener. Now, this is very important. Now, when we talk about advertisement, the most important question you as a marketer or you as a brand manager or you as the person who owns the company is how many active users or what is the average time the user is using your application. This is very important. And if I talk about this music streaming applications here, the users usually have a huge daily active usage time. So that's the advantage we get, especially on the platforms like Gaana. Now, if we go to the details part of this application, so they have around 100 million plus downloads. They have a rating of 4.5 out of 5 and they have around 3.5 billion plays per month. Now, this is their platform. You can see like this is their official website of ads.gaana.com. So like they have mentioned almost all kind of details here. But in this video, as we know that we are discussing everything in detail. Now, if we move to the next point, the big question is how this platform actually works. Well, this platform actually works like, first of all, you set your goal. Then you decide where you want to advertise. There are certain places, there are certain locations in this platform with which you can use to actually advertise. Then you have to submit your creatives, like whatever creatives you have for your platform or your advertisement, if I may, you have to submit. Then you go live. Of course, there is an approval process in between, like as you have designed your advertisement, there is an approval process. And after the approval process, you go live and you can track the performance real time. Now, this is very important, especially when you are using a new platform. You don't want to burn your dollars. You don't want to burn your like rupees, if I may. So this is going to be very important, and this is very vital. So this is the advantage we get here. Now, if we go to the type of goals which are available in this platform, like just like you have used Facebook ads, you have used Google ads, there are certain types of goals which are available when you go live or when you plan to go live on Gaana. First of all, the first campaign is awareness campaign, which is building brand awareness, which is pretty simple. And this is one of the most default campaign across every single advertising platform you might have used. The second is acquisition campaign, getting traffic to your website. Maybe like you want to download application, maybe you want to like connect people to your website, whatever that is acquisition campaign. And finally, sales or lead generation, where you actually get the work done, you get the sales done, or you generate lead for like based on the interest of the user to generate like the interest of their user for the specific product or services you're offering. Now, if we go to type of ads which are available, so we have certain types of ads available, like we have audio ads, we have audio with companion banner, we have voice activated ads, we have video ads, and finally we have display ads. Now, there is one more type of ad which is there, which is song ad. But the problem is there's specifically no like criteria, when we logged into the platform of Gaana, we could not see how to create an like song ad. So we have not mentioned here. Maybe it's available for certain type of users, maybe certain types of people, maybe we are not their audience. So that is why it was not available. So that is why we decided not to include in this video. Now, first of all, let's try to look into audio ad. So engage with audience using audio spots less than 20 seconds between the songs. So basically what happens when users are listening to songs, you can plug in, you can place your audio advertisement in between those two songs, not more than 20 seconds, which is very important because of course user is there to listen to songs, not listen to your advertisement. Now, the advantage you get with the audio ads specifically is technically you cannot skip it. Like, of course you can skip it. Like, again, there are ways with which people can do it, but yeah, technically you cannot skip. That is the advantage you get. And secondly, since it's like around less than 20 seconds, so you have the opportunity to grab the like the user's attention, which is pretty vital when you're using platform like this. Now, if we go to the specs of this audio advertisement, well, first of all, what it is good for? Well, it is good for when you use ads to increase awareness of your products and services. So maybe you have new offer, you have new product launching, and you want to let your listeners know that this is something which is about to come, or maybe this is something which is already there. You can use these kind of ads. Now, the creative type which you have, like what kind of creatives you have to use? Well, you have to use an MP3 file with less than 20 seconds and bitrate of 200 kbps. Now, what is the maximum file size? The maximum file size is 150 KB. And what platforms it is available? It is available on Android as well as on iOS. Now, how it works? So I'm going to show you a demo. I have included a link here. So I'm going to show it to you. Now, I'm pretty much sure that you might not be able to listen. 14 का वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल है. अरे यार, अपनी एंगेजमेंट पोस्टपोन. बहुत गुड कॉल लिया मैडम. हमें लगता है आप दोनों की पार्टनरशिप बहुत लंबी चलेगी. Specifically, I'm not going to drill deeper into this because I've included in the presentation itself. So you can go ahead and you can look into it. I think it was not visible. Okay, fine. Actually, it was supposed to be opening in a new tab and it opened in the same one. Anyways, yeah, fine. So let me go back. Well, actually, when you go for live, these kind of things happen. So I do apologize again. I was not knowing that this might happen. Actually, there is some background noise also coming. There is some sort of lockdown going on. Again, those are distractions. Anyways, so you have an option of audio ads, okay, where you place audio between two songs. Songs or broadcast, again, that depends upon Gaana being choosing that. Now, audio with companion banner. Now, previously we just had the audio. Now we have a companion banner which is going to be displayed while the song, while your audio is being played. So add a display banner along with your 20-second audio ad, if I may. Now, again, let's go into the specs. So like what it is good for: acquisition campaign. Use these ads to take people to visit to your website or install your application. I'll give a very simple example. Let's say Swiggy has a 50% off, or maybe 60% off, or maybe something like that. Now they want people to take action right now. Well, you can use these kind of companion banner with audio for that similar kind of product. Now the creative type, if I may, or I should say the file types, well, you have to use MP3 with within 20 seconds, bitrate of 200 kbps, and the image or the banner has to be a JPEG with 300 by 250 pixel size. Well, these details are also available on their platform, like website as well, but I have just mentioned in this presentation. The maximum file size for audio is 100 KB and image is 40 KB. Platform it is available. It's available on Android and iOS. And what is the demo? I'm going to click on it, click on the demo, and let me right click on open a new tab. I'm pretty much sure that it is available right now. Yes, it is available. I'm not sure if you're able to listen to this or maybe look into this. Yes,
crafted to perfection, a new style icon is here in town.
Close this and I'm going to move forward. Yeah, so that's how the audio with companion banner works out in this platform. Now, voice activated ads. Now, this is probably by far at least our best, like at least our favorite. Why? Because ads where user can interact with their voice using their website. You can take them to their website. Actually, that's some wrong English we have written. Well, using this kind of advertisement, you can actually take people, like you can take certain actions based on what users are saying. Just like we say, leave your voice message after dial tone, something like that. We'll see the demo. Now, what do I mean by voice activated ads? If I talk about the specs, if I may, well, these are good for awareness campaign with a call to action. This is very important. It has a call to action option with us. Creative type, it has to be a MP3 with 20 seconds, like within 20 seconds, and bitrate of 200 kbps. Platform Android. Now, we are not sure why it is not available on iOS. Maybe they have not mentioned in their website. Well, again, this is a bit strange thing. So again, you have to reach to the representative of Gaana for this specific knowledge. Now, let's see what is the demo of this particular thing. So I'll close this and I'll come here. And I'm just waiting for this thing to load, and I don't know much of time. There is some background noise also coming in. Okay, I don't know why it is not loading. Maybe the internet is okay. Fine, now it is working. Now you can see there is an ad by Swiggy right now.
Weekend binge plans? Enjoy your favorite songs with your favorite food at home. 20% instant savings on Swiggy with Citi credit cards. After the beep.
With users or maybe within your platform or something
Thanks,
like
you will
that.
be taken to web page when you return back.
Now let's move to the next one. Now we have video ads. Now this is something not new. If you are a marketer, you know what are video ads. Reach your audience with full screen video ad for more efficiency. These ads will not appear when user is not using the app. So let's say if user is listening to the application, he has locked his phone, or maybe he's using navigating, or maybe using some different application, maybe chatting on WhatsApp. This video ad is not going to appear, or maybe it's not going to play on that particular, like on this application of Gaana. Now let's go to the video specs. Well, again, good for awareness campaign. The creative type MP4, of course, within 20 seconds, aspect ratio of 16:9. Now, one thing which we feel is that it should also include a vertical video, because these days people are using their phones on vertical. All the stories, the reels, or maybe shorts on YouTube, if I may, they all are vertical. So we would have preferred that if they had the option, but unfortunately maybe the platform is just like it is getting started, or whatever that is. So currently 16:9 is available. Now the maximum file size is 2 MB. Platforms available Android and iOS. And finally, let's look into the demo. So I'm going to click on the right click and I'm going to move on that. Now you can see this is going to load. I don't know why it is not loading. Let me refresh the page. Now actually what is happening currently, I'm going live as well as this is downloading from the internet, so I don't know what is happening. I hope I'm still connected. Anyways, it is not playing right now. So again, I'll include these links on the description of this video so you can look into it. Okay, let me move forward. Now let's come to the display ads. Now put graphic imagery across platform to visually inspire customer about your products and services. Display your product via sticky banner on the home page, above the audio player, and on multiple other screens. Now this is something which is simply a display ads or display banner which you have used across various platforms. This is also available on Gaana. Again, the specifics, if I may: acquisition campaign for call to action. Creative type JPEG of 320 by 50 or 320 by 100. Usually it is preferred to go for 320 by 50, because again it's users habit to see that kind of a advertisement. What is the maximum file size? 40 KB, and platforms available Android and iOS. Now if I talk about how it looks, so we have taken a screenshot from Gaana. Now you can see we are getting an advertisement of Olymp trade, whatever that is. So you can see this kind of advertisement which is available. So like you can also target your audience with these kind of advertisement. Now let's look into the budget section. Like, what is the budget you have to spend when you're going to advertise on Gaana? Well, minimum you have to spend 10,000 rupees, and maximum you have to spend around 5 CR. So this is very important, because as an advertiser or as the brand manager, you have to understand what is the kind of budget you're looking into it. Because like just like Facebook and Google, you can start with 40 or 50 rupees. It's not possible on this platform. At least for now, you have to start with minimum of 10,000 rupees. Now let's look into the very important part, how you can target the audience. Now this is going to be very important, because you have 3 kind of targeting. One is location based targeting. So you can specify a location like Mumbai. You can target pan India, you can target tier 1 cities, you can target tier 2 cities. Now this is very important if your products and services are for the specific location or specific type kind of people. And in that case, you can use the advantage of location based targeting. What we really like about this platform is that they have specified tier 1 cities. That means I'm not going to jump into tier 2 cities, maybe if I am included one way or the other, or like I can go for tier 2 cities if my products and services are for tier 2 users. Now age group based targeting, so specify, like you don't have any option of specifying like 18 to 19, you have to choose between these age groups. Gender based targeting, so you can choose either male or female. Well, that's about it about this platform. Now if we have to give our final verdict of this platform, we have some final words. Like, the platform is promising as it has regional presence. The advantage here is like When you go to Facebook, when you go to Google, of course they have their own pros and cons, but advantage with Gaana is that you are reaching to the audience who are music listeners one way or the other. Like your mother is listening to music, your father is listening to your music, your brother and sisters are listening to music, maybe someone is listening to podcast. One way or the other, a human being always uses a music streaming application. If in case of India, it could be Gaana.com. So you're one way or the other, you're reaching out to the almost all sections of the society. Secondly, audio ads are one better way to connect. Well, of course, nobody can deny that. Finally, average time spent on the application is around 35 to 45 minutes a day. Well, again, that depends upon the type of users, but this is an average time. And best can be used for people who love listening to songs while commuting. Well, of course, in this COVID situation, this is not possible. But again, you understand what we are trying to say here is, like, let's say someone is driving in their car and maybe like they are friends or whatever that is. So you have a very good specification, like let's say your products and services are targeting the tier 1 city, people like they're in Bangalore, Hyderabad, they are the people who are making, again, I'm not going to quote the amount of money they are making, but yes, they're making good amount of money. You're launching your products and services specifically catering to them. So you can target these kind of people. Now you can also target the people who are using some specific language. Unfortunately, we could not see that. So that is one disadvantage. But ultimately, it's a good platform if you're just getting started, if you're looking for some other mediums to experiment. Well, of course, Gaana.com, specifically if you have some Indian audience, this is one great platform for you. So with this, thank you guys for watching this video and staying tuned with this live session. I hope the audio and the video quality was great because we have some change setup. Secondly, please, I do apologize for all the disturbance you may have seen or may have listened to in the background, because again, a lot of things happening these days. And finally, if you have some questions or you need some answers, you can comment down below or you can reach to us over our website. There is a call, like again, book a call button there. And if you want to advertise on Gaana and if you have no idea how to do that, well, of course, in that case also, you can reach our team. So with this, thank you guys for watching and we will see you in the next one.